immediately kicked ahead. Works it up. The kickoff hits the deck and immediately kicked ahead. Works it up. That's got to be the fastest try in Super Rugby women's history. 10 seconds had elapsed, and immediately it is Vitalina Naikore.
Sydney, which suits Fiji to a T. Exactly the weather they'll be having over there in Fiji.
Here's a Tisolo, sends it through. So 10 points to nil. The Drua lead the Waratahs. Cracks. This is better from the Tars. Leaning. Currently 89% territory for the Drua. That'll even up a bit here now. Barker has had the back to Ellis. Here's Fredericks now. Fredericks holding onto the ball. Little switch play to Stewart. She is a try-scoring machine. Penalty advantage. Whistle goes. And yeah, Jessling's going to have a chat. Slots it. Drua lead 13 points to 5.
Last year, Max Jorgensen. The crowd here in a couple of hours' time.
Chance here for the Drua. It's tapped back for the Tars, or still though for the Drua. How did that fall into their hands? Drua, how did that fall into their hands?
Powerful run.
Tisolo, perfect with the boot once again.
4 teenagers in the side.
Kavanagh gets us restarted. And Drua, just big throw for her. And it falls into the hands of the Drua. That's not what the Tars would have wanted. And the Drua kick it ahead. To move now for Waratahs Ellis. She has such good feet. In the tackle. Pohiva. Oh, wow. Powerful carry there from Pohiva. The ball is loose. Another penalty, so the Drua discipline. It's 3 back-to-back penalties. They go quickly to the Tars. Ellis. Anderson. Hands here for O'Gorman. O'Gorman goes for the long stop. Start to the second. It's here for O'Gorman. O'Gorman goes for the long stop. Second half for the Waratahs.
Pohiva, the impact off the bench was that.
Just keep that scoreboard ticking over. And she just pushes it.
That's it.
Waratahs Ellis, the youngest on the park, and she gets the penalty as well. Well, look out. Now, just into the final minutes. Short side.
for Jorgensen. Jorgensen gets up and gets an arm on it. It will fall here for Tupou with soft hands. Then he releases it off the floor, and all of a sudden there's a chance down the left in front of the Fijian Drua fans.
So much support here for the Drua culture round.
The conversion is good off the ball, but Mark.
Contest. Check's good.
Down it comes for Bell. Bell trying to rumble his way over the line. Gleason. Sissett. Free up some space on the outside. They've got some now. Some with Wondret. Good sharp ball, short side. Look out, here come the Drua again. Infield. Karolavu! Oh! Karolavu! Lights them up!
We're happy live leg. Browning's good. He's in the air.
Clear release. Now they lose it. Bell looks to Gordon. Gordon flicks it over the top. Jorgensen's giving chase. Muntz is back. It's getting ugly on the deck for Muntz. Jorgensen cleverly lets him take it. Gleason's got two. Gleason from nowhere, like a flash. And the Waratahs go in front. Time, just 10 seconds away. Kellaway, good little quick ball on for O'Donnell. Sinclair. Oh no. Sinclair says, I've had enough, and we're off to the shed. Far from their line when Maul has been the call though. Can they do it again here as Sinclair looks to rip his men towards the line? Parecki's at the back, taking his time. Starts to pump his legs. Parecki! Zernalangi. Away from Amone. Marawalu. Ikanavere. Taking. Amano Sera really would plays on the ground. That might be a yellow card. That was cynical. It's on, out to the left, it is good. is the call. Kailani goes back in with his shoulders on the tail of Kaileta. Now Adamson driving him forward. He's held short. He's held short. It's a penalty try. A straight 7 for the Tars.
20.
Saloa is the man. What can they create late? Down a man. Trailing by 5. It's lost. It's gone forward and the Tars close it out against the Fijian Drua.